For as long as we have been human, we have looked up at the night sky, the moon, the planets, and the countless stars scattered like dust across a black canvas. We have asked ourselves questions. What are those lights? How far away are they? And perhaps the most profound question of all, are we alone? To answer these questions, we have built tools. Now we have a new eye on the cosmos, the most powerful ever built. How does this telescope see the past? Our eyes can only perceive a small slice of all the light that exists. As the universe expands, light from the earliest objects is stretched, shifted into the infrared. Think of it like the sound of a siren. As it moves away, the pitch drops. To see that stretched light requires extreme cold, and Webb was designed to be colder than any freezer on Earth. It can peer through cosmic dust and see the birth of stars and galaxies. It sees differently, and often finds the unexpected. When we talk about deep space, what are we really talking about? It is not just the space between planets. Imagine our sun as a single grain of sand. The nearest star, another grain 4 miles away. Deep space is the unimaginable emptiness that fills those miles. Distances are measured in light years. The farther we look, the further back in time we see. We look into deep space because it is where the history of the universe is written. It is a laboratory of cosmic proportions, billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. A grand archaeological dig, where each photon is a relic. It was into one of these dark patches that Webb looked. The telescope stared at a single dark patch for hundreds of hours, patiently collecting every photon that fell upon its golden mirrors. As data streamed back, scientists assembled the image. Faint, reddish smudges, galaxies from over 13 billion years ago. Then an astronomer noticed something odd in the raw data. Not a smudge, a series of perfectly regular pulses. Engineers ran diagnostics. They checked for errors, reflections, satellites. They pointed the telescope away. The signal vanished. They pointed back. It returned. It was not an error. It was real. When the final image was processed, the source became visible. Not a point of light, an area of perfect absolute blackness. It was massive, many times the size of our Milky Way. It pulsed. It changed shape in a perfectly regular, complex pattern. It showed no gravitational lensing. It simply blocked light. No detectable gravitational signature, yet clear structure and scale. Some proposed exotic clouds that absorb radiation, but that cannot explain the precise pulses. Hard to escape one conclusion: structure and signal imply intent, artificial, a territorial marker, a warning, a message of darkness. Once confirmed and peer-reviewed, the news was released to the public. The reaction was immediate and global. Not panic, a profound, quiet awe and a palpable unease. Social media and forums exploded with speculation. Astronomers, physicists, philosophers, theologians, everyone debated. Governments held emergency sessions. The discovery transcended borders. For some, decades of science fiction suddenly felt validated. For others, the scale and age of the object were humbling, even terrifying. The world's radio telescopes were turned toward that one dark spot. This single discovery has reignited one of the oldest questions. Are we alone? For centuries, faith, philosophy, and statistical probability. Now, for the first time, we have a piece of data that suggests the answer may be no. But that answer brings 1,000 new questions. Who are they? Where are they? What do they want? Is it a message, a marker, a warning? We do not yet know. This is a moment for humility and calm, determined curiosity. We must continue to watch and to listen, using the tools of science. Some wonders are beautiful, some are terrifying, all part of the same tapestry. We stand at a precipice, looking out into a newly revealed landscape of possibility. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us a glimpse that will change history. Will we retreat in fear or press forward with courage and curiosity? This is the next step in the long human journey of exploration. We must build more powerful telescopes, send new probes, and fund the quest. Support the scientists, engineers, and dreamers who will carry this forward. Answers may take centuries, even millennia, But the search will drive progress. It will inspire new technologies, new sciences, and new generations. Join us as we continue to look up, to ask questions, and to explore. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.